Welcome back. Monroe County Health Department is working to reduce children's access to marijuana edibles by offering safe lock bags. David and John with the Health Department are here with us this afternoon to talk more about the bags. And I was hoping you'd bring some bags to show us, guys. Thanks for being with us.
Yeah, you're very welcome.
First of all, let's talk about the problem itself. This is a national issue because more states approve recreational use of marijuana products. Edibles are a big product. You got all kinds of baked goods, and you got the gummies, things like that.
Absolutely.
Has it skyrocketed the last 5 years?
So as more and more states, legalize marijuana, whether it's for recreationally or medically, we are seeing more and more children accidentally ingesting these products, and it's becoming a serious issue. So we're seeing kids kids younger than the age of 5 or 6. Getting into these products by no fault of their own because they look like ordinary products, or like candy products. And they are accidentally ingesting these, they're getting sick, and they're going to the hospital.
Well, I saw the numbers here. In 2017, this is nationally now, in 2017, just over 200 reported cases of accidental consumption of cannabis edibles. By 4 years later, the number jumps to over 3,000. And I have to imagine it's much higher than that now because Michigan has been legal for a bit. And as all these edibles start becoming more like candy and baked goods, right, it's hard to differentiate if you're a child.
It is. It really is. And that's why we're doing this project, is because we really want to educate residents in our area about if they're going to use these products, to use them responsibly and safely, to store them safely, and to keep them out of sight and reach of young children.
John, it's remarkable. We ask gun owners to put your guns in a lockbox and keep it a safe area, and you're legally liable if someone happens to get in that thing, and that makes perfect sense. Well, it makes perfect sense to lock up your edibles too.
Oh, absolutely. And the grant that we get from the state allows us the opportunity to purchase these bags, and we hand them out at no cost to the residents of Monroe County. It's just one way that we can give back to the community and help the children of the community out.
Show us how those are used.
So these are basically just banker's bags. And you open them up. What we do is we put some education materials in here on, to make sure you lock them up. Some community partners, if there's people with issues or dependencies on marijuana and want to reduce their dependencies. But we provide this in here, and then all you have to do, it comes with a key, a lock. You just zip it up. It's fairly straightforward and simple. And then turn the key, take the key out, and a kid under 4 isn't going to likely get into this bag.
Or know what it is anyway.
Yes.
So this is an easy frontline protection from accidental ingestion by kids, and to put it away.
David, obviously children are smaller than an adult male or female, but what kind of symptoms you see with a child if they happen to consume some cannabis products?
Yeah, so I think typically you see lower blood pressure and heart rate. You're going to see slurred speech, dizziness, maybe some nausea. So almost kind of similar symptoms you would see maybe if someone was intoxicated or under the influence. So if they're having some sort of toxicity reaction to it, you're going to, those are some things to look out for sure.
But my goodness, a small child, a toddler, gets into some gummies, and I mean, it looks like candy. Start popping them and eat 3 or 4 or 5 of those. Then that's serious stuff. It
really is, and that's why we're promoting these bags in this project, because we really want people to be safe with those products if they choose to use them.
There's no reason not to use them.
Right.
So this is available for any Monroe County resident, or could anybody come?
These are available for Monroe County residents. If you come to the health department and want to pick one up, we won't deny you one. They are free. There's education materials in them, and links to our community partners. You can give us a call or visit our website at healthymonroecounty.com. Give us a call at 734-240-7800. We have a lot of them. We just got a new shipment today.
Great.
So while supplies last, we have them.
David and John, this is a great idea. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
And thanks for coming up today and talking about it.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.